In today's video, I will show you how to add a button on HubSpot step by step in a very simple way. This guide is perfect if you are a beginner and using HubSpot for the first time. First of all, log into your HubSpot account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top menu and go to the Marketing section. From there, choose Website and then select either Website Pages or Landing Pages, depending on what you want to create. After that, create a new page. You can start with a blank layout or choose a ready-made template. Pick any option you like and click to use it. HubSpot will then open the page editor for you. Now you are inside the editor where you can design your page. To add a button, look for the plus icon on the page. Click on it and a list of elements will appear. Find the Button option. If you do not see it right away, you can simply search for the word Button. Once you find it, drag and drop the button onto your page wherever you want it to appear. As soon as you drop it, the button will be added to your layout. Next, click on the button to customize it. You can change the button text to anything you want, choose where the button links to, and adjust the style such as alignment or design options. Make the changes that fit your page and you will see the button update instantly. That's it. You have successfully added and customized a button on HubSpot. And that's how you add a button on HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.